how to delete old TikTok account and make new one. So let me show you how I will change my old TikTok, in fact delete my old TikTok and make new one. That would be AI Thrive Space. In this way you will also learn how to delete the old TikTok. So let's check how I can do this. Share feedback, what to do. No. Okay, Petu Panda, that was Petu Panda, and I have to delete. Let me check if there is an option to delete it. Log out, manage account. Yes, so you have to click on these three dots and then click on manage account, and you can click on deactivate or delete account. Okay, delete account permanently. Now we have to give reason. Just want to make new. Okay, continue. And Petu Panda talk, delete this account. Yes, continue. But if you change your mind, you can always return back to them. I think maybe in between 30 days. I didn't read actually, but before doing any major step we have to read actually everything. Help us confirm that it's you. Enter the code. I have copied the code and now I have to put the code here. Paste. Delete account because I want to start fresh. Delete Pendu Panda talk. I have deleted, but then again it said that login to your account. When I log in, it said reactivate your account, but I don't know why. I again logged out from my account. I think when your account will be fully deleted, it will not say to log in or to activate your account, to reactivate your account. So nothing to worry about. I have deleted successfully my TikTok account. Now the thing is how to make a new account. So in the next video I will tell you how to create TikTok account with a new email.